Okay guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to join Discord server on phone. So if you want to join a Discord server on your phone, here is a video for you. So if I don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Literally, you are supposed to open the Discord application like this. Then go ahead, click on this plus icon, and then you should be able to join a Discord server. But in this case, you won't be able to join a Discord server except if you have the Discord server invite link, or you want to join a student hub. So you can join with Discord server invite link, which are going to be pasted here, or except you want to use your school official email address. However, if none of this is available for you, then here is how you can easily join a Discord server on your phone. So just go ahead and open the browser. Then on the browser, what you just need to do is go to discord.com/login. Then once you go to discord.com/login, you want to go ahead and sign into your Discord account. So you want to do this on your mobile phone. So it's advisable you come to here, click on the three dots, and then make sure you choose desktop site. If you're using iPhone, click on the menu icon at the bottom right, and then choose desktop site. Now for you to join Discord server on your mobile, just come here and click on this plus icon. Now, once you click on the plus icon, the next thing you want to do here is you want to go ahead and click on join a server. Literally, you'll be asked to type in your invite link, but because you're doing this on the browser, then you should say don't have an invite. So go ahead and click on that. Then once you click on don't have an invite, you're going to have access to different Discord server you can join here. You can see we now have featured servers. Then at the top here, we now have different Discord server categories. There is tech, there is science, then there is education, and there is student hub. So just select the Discord server category you want to join. So let's say here in this case, you want to join science and tech. Then once you selected it, you can just come here, click on the Discord server you want to join. Then you'll be taken to the channel. Then go ahead and join the Discord server. You can see there is a welcome message from the Discord server. You can see I will just look around for now. So if you want to read the rules, just come here, go through the rules, and then join the Discord server. You can see at the top right, join this particular Discord server. Click on that, and then you'll be able to join the server. And again, you can just repeat the same thing again. Look for another Discord server you want to join, following the same process. Then click you do not have an invite, and then select the Discord server. Then once you click on the Discord server, then the Discord server rules and regulation will pop. Then come to the top right here and click on join. Now, once you've joined the Discord server on the browser, then exit this page, go ahead and open the Discord app on your phone. Then once you open it, then if you come here, then you should have access to the Discord server on your phone. You see that? So that is basically how to join Discord server on phone. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.